Hi friends, my name is Vial, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 different ways to letter November. I'm going to be showing you 5 different pens that you can use with each style. So let's go ahead and get started. The first way that we're going to be lettering November is using a technique called calligraphy, using this paper made ink joy. And you can use any pen that you have handy. At the end of this video, I'm going to be using one of these ways to letter November on the cover of my bullet journal. The second way we're going to letter November is with the basic modern calligraphy style, which I'm going to be using this Tombow Fudenowski brush pen, and this is going to be in the hard tip. If you want to get started learning modern calligraphy, I do have a video, I'm going to link it right here, where I show you everything you need to get started, as well as how you learn calligraphy the right way. So make sure you check that video out. One thing that you want to remember every time you are doing calligraphy is when your pen goes up, you don't apply any pressure, and then when it goes down, you apply the pressure. This is what's going to create the contrast between the thick and the thin strokes. Also make sure you go very slow and you pause each time you're making a stroke. For the third way to letter November, I'm going to be using this Pentel Touch brush pen. For the fourth way to letter November, I'm going to be using this Zebra Funwari brush pen, and basically I'm going to be adding some embellishments to the ends of the letters. And the last pen that I'm going to be using is this lip pen Flex, and I'm going to put the link to it down below because I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong, but this is another small tip brush pen. The last way that I'm going to be lettering November is with a block lettering style. There you have it, 5 different ways that you can letter November, and I use 5 different pens so you can see how each one of them write. I gotta say my favorite is probably the Zebra Funwari, and I always love the Tombow Fudenowski brush pen. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And in here I'm showing you how I'm using the first way to letter November to create the cover page on my bullet journal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and this gives you some ideas of how to letter November. Don't forget that you can have access to the free worksheet from my blog at vialdesigns.com/5 ways to letter November, or you can also check the link down below. And check out these videos to get a step-by-step tutorial on how to create modern calligraphy using a regular pen and how to use Crayola markers to create brush calligraphy. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.